Okay, so this is an unboxing of the Polk Monitor XT15. Just got this for review. These are the brand new budget-minded Polk Audio bookshelf speakers. Got a nice manual with some little, looks like there's some rubber feet in here. I'll open that later. Some silica. Let's get one of these bad boys out. Yeah, they're kind of heavier than I thought they would be. There's one of them. Ooh, very nice. Let's get this guy. Very nice. Got some nice foam in the little speaker grill. Kind of dig it. It's kind of like a charcoal gray speaker grill. And there's the speaker. Got some good weight to it. Really feels heavy. I mean, they're listed at 9 pounds, but I believe it. In fact, it feels heavier at 9 pounds. So there she is. There's one of them. Let's get the other one out. Whoa! There they are. Beautiful. I guess the little rubber feet go on the bottom here. And that's it. That's all there is to it. If this is the first time you're watching my channel, welcome. It's good to have you. And if you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. And if you have any questions about the speakers, please leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer them as best as I can. And I'll see you in the next one.